All right, so let's look at Luna Classic. What's going on with it? It looks like it's trying to break this downtrend. I said in live stream yesterday, and I also said it in a video on Luna Classic before my live stream about a day ago, that it's bullish above 24 in my humble opinion. That's just based on the TA I did. I was expecting the lowest it could possibly go to still be in this falling wedge was 20. But now look at this. It's kind of like a double bottom right here on the daily chart. Let me go to zoom into the 4-hour chart. You kind of got this double bottom right here. I don't want to do that. I do not want to do that. But I'm trying to say you got this double bottom here, and that's kind of a slightly higher low. But as of right now, you have strong support. It seems that 22.4 would be very strong support where you have, like I said, a double bottom. So I'll turn that line red for support. I entered a short. I just got stopped out of that. I was in the short. Then I had my stop at 24. I got wicked out up here. Then I tried to re-enter at 24. I was in some profits. It came back down here. But I figured, and then I put my stop loss back at break even. So I think I lost maybe 50 cents. But that's kind of it. I mean, to me, Luna Classic is trying to turn bullish. The problem is the 4-hour chart is overbought. So let's go back to the daily chart, though. I do like the daily chart a lot. The daily chart on the RSI is trying to go up. You finally see the blue line going above the orange line, which is bullish. I like that a lot. The 4-hour chart, though, I don't like where that's at. But I will say this. On the 4-hour chart, for finally, by the time you're overbought, you finally made a higher high. The previous higher high was technically, I would say, 24.16, and you had a wick all the way up to 24.46. To me, I think we're about to have a reversal to the upside. Nothing is confirmed yet. Let's go to the 1-hour chart. 1-hour chart's also overbought. Obviously, it made a higher high as well. I like to see that. So to me, you have a double bottom, and you have a trend reversal in play right now. Like I said, also, let me go to the 15-minute chart before I get ahead of myself. Also, 15-minute chart. So basically, what you have to look for now is you have to see a move at least above we'll say 245. If your next high is above 245 on the 15-minute chart, that is bullish. I would love to see it like up to 25 or something like that to be convincing. But to me right now, there probably will be a little bit more downside movement because the 1-hour chart and 4-hour charts are overbought. But I do like what the daily is at, and I like what the 15-minute is doing as of right now. You have to get above 24.5 now to confirm an uptrend with a few higher highs and a few higher lows. That's what I want to see now. So you made the double bottom. Now I want to see a trend reversal as far as higher lows go. You have the higher high. Now you need a higher low. So we'll see what happens. But that's kind of it. I would like to see 24.5, and then I would like to see a higher low after that. That's what I'm looking for right now on the 15-minute chart for Luna Classic. If you get that, I'm going to probably switch long. And that's kind of all I got. It does look like as well, if you can continue higher, like I said, 24.5 before you get another move down, that would mean you're basically breaking out of this falling wedge that we've been in for, ever since. You could technically say you've been in it since the 10th of October. So the last 2 weeks, basically, you've been in this downtrend. So to me right now, we're bullish. You have to get moved back to 24.5 for a higher high, and then you have to get a higher low, preferably above 23. But to me right now, Luna Classic is trying to turn bullish. I think you have to wait for the 4-hour chart to come down, and I think you have to wait for the 1-hour chart to come down on the RSI. When that happens, I'm going to personally enter long. The 1-hour chart, I have an alert down there. The 4-hour chart, I'm going to add an alert right now. Guys, get ready because I think we're about to have a reversal to the upside. If we keep going down, great. I'll enter another short. I don't care what this coin does. I just want to make the money, and I want it to be a continued uptrend or a continued downtrend for a week or two straight so I can because my last trade on Luna Classic where I got stopped out this morning at 24, I was in that trade for, I think, 13 days. No, maybe it was 10. I entered it at the 13th, so obviously it was 10 days. I can't do math. But yeah, so I was in that trade 10 days. So I like to swing trade. It's just easier than day trading, especially with my day job. So that's what I'm looking for. You need to see a move to 24.5 and then a higher low above 23. That's all I got. If you guys enjoyed this video, I appreciate if you smash that like button and subscribe if you guys are new. And I'll see you guys in the next video. If you guys have any requests for videos, let me know and I'll do them. See you guys in the next one.